Spell it out.
Okay, Neil. Well, you just brought that headline, which obviously is key. He's won them all. There are still places, though, where Governor Kasich, at least in his case, could pick up a few delegates. So I just want to start in Connecticut because there are some acid tests, if you like, counties. Fairfield County, one of them, there we go, cooperating with me. So you can see where in this particular county, a lot of people say, look, this is just kind of the northern version of Manhattan. Tons of bankers here, tons of people who know Donald Trump. But a lot of people have told me Fairfield County is really one to watch in the sense that it is this kind of acid test. Can a traditional GOP voter go for Donald Trump over a John Kasich? So at least for the moment, it very much looks as such. Trump clearly over that 50th percentile there. You can see 58.9%. If we go next door and just take a look at what's going on in Rhode Island, up near Providence, the same kind of acid test here. Can a traditional GOP voter just sweep, can Donald Trump sweep that, get the support from a group that has so far resisted him? So bottom line here, obviously Trump having a great night, Neil, but there's still others can kind of be chomping off some of these delegate cookies. Back to you.
You're right. By the way, as you were speaking, Dieter, Hillary Clinton has won the state of Delaware as well. So add that to her pickup in Maryland.